This is another video from Euclid Chiropractic Clinic in Upland. What we're talking about today is called the word subluxation. This is one of those big words that chiropractors use that sometimes explain basically in simple terms a bone out of place where it's locked up, puts pressure on the nerve, and things we'll talk about in a second over here. Then from that point it causes symptoms such as spinal conditions, nerve conditions, joint conditions, things like that. Alright, so we'll walk through it real quick and see. These articles below will kind of explain it more. This guy has a great video explaining it, which is going to be more than I can do. But I'll kind of give you the big gist of it and how it works. So we'll talk about subluxation. We'll talk about what is a bone out of place. We'll talk about part of it is this spinal joint here. And what it'll do is basically these joints will lock in place of having normal motion. We want to get those joints to stay free. Like an elbow joint, we want that elbow free. If not, it makes the muscle weaken, spasm, makes the joint lock up even more, sometimes cause nerve pains in the fingers. Same things with the joint we want to do here. Alright, so see one thing. This is our basic wall chart. It's called neuropathway. It explains how the nerves work that go from the brain through the spinal cord and come out, these nerves coming out here to every organ, every muscle tissue of the body, and every joint too. So we push to the very top, we talk about how that affects the overall body. See how this part is where it connects from the brain and spinal cord. That connection is very important because that can cause a pinch to where everything in the body can be dysfunctional. Again, you're still going to live, you're still going to be moving around, but it can cause things to work at a less functional amount. We look further down and talk about how the nerves in the neck can pinch and cause problems down the neck to the mid-back area. A lot of people have mid-back pain not realizing it is coming from the neck. And that's when it gets pinched and moves down that area. Problems in the lower neck area can cause problems where it causes pain, weakness, tingling, burning from the neck down to the shoulder, even past the shoulder to the elbow, and or past the shoulder to the hand where it causes hand numbness, weakness, tingling, and burning. Okay? Same thing lower back. It travels from the lower back through the lower back to the legs, down to the feet, and same type of problems that people will deal with. But again, those problems here, those same nerves, also affect the organs of the body. So realize the combination of having a nerve pain that comes from the neck and subluxation in the area can cause problems with the whole body overall. So our job is, if we're going to fix the lower back in this example, where the nerve pain goes away, we want to make sure that that area gets stronger and doesn't want to become arthritic to where it can cause problems down the line. All right, so our job is to remove the subluxations, again, a stuck joint, so that goes away, and these symptoms go away along with any type of organ dysfunction so that it may accommodate that. See, this is called a neuropathway, and what that did was kind of show you exactly where the nerves get pinched and where they can run from the neck down the arm and the hand, down the neck down the mid-back, down the low back down the legs, for example, too. But again, as you saw that, we talked about is how it affects the organs also and how it affects the overall body. So chiropractic isn't just about making sure there's no back pain and neck pain, even though that's what we're kind of put in a box for. But a lot of it is what chiropractic is, the philosophy behind it is how we get the whole body to stay healthy. That's what we talk to our patients about. What are you doing outside of here? What are you doing to make sure your body stays healthy? Not only take away the pain, which is more sick care, but how do you stay healthy? How do you get your better quality of life so that stays overall well based on your work activity, based on how far you drive, based on how many kids you have, how much stress you're under, for one. So hope these videos help and hope they kind of give you a big picture of what we do in our office and how chiropractic helps people stay healthy. Have a great day.
Move on the first part of the journey.